A person has captured everything on tape after getting their hands on the S24 Ultra in every color imaginable. We're going to focus on 3 of the primary 4 colors because, regrettably, the dark color is hiding. Let's start with the titanium ray hero hue of the S24 Ultra. Rumor has claimed that this titanium feels more metal than the iPhone 15 Pro Max and outshines it as well. Although I can't attest to the touch, I think it looks better. I was really taken aback by the titanium violet hue choice. I had only planned to acquire the titanium gray hue up until now, but after seeing at this purple one, or should I say titanium violet, I changed my mind. It may even look more amazing than before. It will be quite difficult to choose a color before pressing the pre-order button tomorrow. The titanium yellow is next, and it has a strong gold vibe to it. It's elegant, but for people who value gold, this might be the best option. It's vital to note that every shade has silver-colored frames and complementary camera ring colors, which, to be honest, enhances their appearance. Furthermore, the box isn't exactly the same as the S23 Ultra, the S Pen is now visible, and the phone is partially obscured. Additionally, you only have one more chance to secure the $150 before it disappears when this video is uploaded, which is in a day. To reserve, simply enter your name and email. And that's it. You are under no obligation to buy anything even after making a reservation because this is a no-commitment offer. Along with $970 in rewards, you will receive $150 in Samsung credits for the Ultra. Now, let's move on. A few days ago, we learned that the AI functions on the S24 may be offered without charge until 2025, a year after its formal introduction. But few of the advanced services may require payment after that. As of right now, an official Samsung handle has confirmed that this is accurate. The pre-order information has also been made public. Retailers and operators in the UK will give away a free Galaxy Watch 6. Offerings in South Korea include a complimentary pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, a storage enhancement, and a 1-year Samsung Care Plus guarantee. A storage increase and $150 in Ultra credits can be verified for reservations. Details are still pending for the US. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.